In this video, let's learn how to lock your mobile home screen layout. Now, I can move applications on my home screen like this. Let's learn how to lock this home screen. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to home screen option. In here you can see lock home screen layout option. You can enable this feature. Now I come to my home screen. Now let's try to move this application. Now I try to move this app. Now I cannot move this app. You can see home screen layout is locked. You can unlock in settings. In this method you can lock your mobile home screen apps. We cannot change it. This is very good feature to us.